everyone. Today we're going to share how we personally style the Miracle range. So if you love what you see, everything's on our website at motto.com.au. And if you're watching after we're live, please put hashtag replay in the comments.
For those of you who don't know us, Faye, Lauren, Onus Designs and Motto Fashion, mother and daughter, mum and mum. And we're on social platforms every weekday at 4 to have fun with fashion and share what we're about to share.
So we've got a couple of styles in the Miracle range. We've got lots of different finishes. We have both happened to select the split hem style, but it was more that was kind of there. I've got to say all the range will have the same effect, like with all the tops and stuff that we're wearing. So there's a skirt, there's the leggings with, well, the pants / leggings without the split, there's non-leather look, and there's leather look, and a few variations in there. So you've got to do you.
So pick your favourite bottom and just go maybe some suggestions.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, I might start then.
Why not?
So I feel like with the Miracle pants, I really love to do a bit of a structured look because you get that cool girl vibe. But what I want to do is I actually want to style it while I'm on screen for you guys. So first up, I've got I think it's called the Cotton Asana shirt. I've done it up to the neck and I've put this zip me up necklace on the outside of my collar. If you need it longer, we do have a necklace extender, which you can add just to make that hang a little bit lower. Then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this belt over the top, and I'm going to see how you can kind of see my shirt hanging through.
Nice.
I think that's cool.
Really nice.
And I've gone for the belt in I think it's called pewter, because it's not matching anything, and I also think that looks cool. The black, I also liked, but I just think this looks extra nice. Something about the lightness all on the top.
Love the sound of that belt when it goes sort of satin. Yep. Beautiful. Look at that bow effect. You did that so well. I like the shirt hanging down the back.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Look at that. Looks sensational. What a great outfit, Lauren.
It's a good outfit, isn't it?
It really is.
It kind of makes it suitable for the office. You're still that cool chick. A little bit edgy, but still classic.
Yes, very classic and gorgeous. It's so you. Love it.
And
Love it.
everything I am wearing at the moment is a size 10, including my pants.
Gorgeous. Well, I'm kind of going for a similar looking tone, but definitely out there in print. I've gone for a double-breasted classic blazer. I'll show you just like this first because I kind of like it, just as a bit of a classic look. Pulled up the arms. I quite like having something bigger on top when I have the skinny legs at the bottom, which is what we've created a bit of a flare look, if you look side on. Rather nice with the split. So big blazer on me. I'm wearing the 10 shirt and 10 blazer and the size 8 in the pants. So you can see how it's quite snug. There's a label there. I don't actually have a square bum. So what I did here is actually did a front tuck and added a belt, a chain belt, and then just took the tail into the little space there to give me a bit of more interesting look around my tummy. Kind of detracts from the tummy, I think. But I also want to show you with the shirt out because I like it like this and buttoned up to the neck, but wearing the shirt out is interesting because it creates a different vibe. I'll show you. And even leaving the chain belt on, I think is quite...
Yeah, because you still want to define where your waist is. It can make your legs look a bit longer.
So the chain underneath at the back and just hanging over the top at the front is kind of an interesting look. It's sort of mob wife, I know, probably because it's animal, but this is a cool look
it's very mob wife.
Don't you think?
Yeah, definitely mob
and
wife.
I've kept the sleeves quite long, even though I've zhuzhed them up with armbands, just because I want to keep my wrists covered because, you know, it's a bit cool now.
And you like it peeping through anyway.
Yeah, it's kind of nice peeping through, rather than cuffing it up. I think to me this isn't more...
Well, sometimes I like
yet,
that.
are you?
But that's you're not looking like classic. Do you know what I mean? Like you're looking classic, but you're looking edgy. And edgy girls, I think, technically, like that's a bit more
structured somehow.
Structured and a bit more like sophisticated and fancy person.
Fancy.
I'm
not
edgy
fancy.
person.
I'm definitely not fancy.
She's not fancy.
Oh, that's me.
No, I love that. All right, so guys, I wanted to show you. I actually really wanted to wear this all black outfit. And then I'm like, come on, Lauren. In just a bit of colour. So I found colour.
found that
that colour.
It's amazing. I actually did want to show a shirt under the jumper because some people want a bit more toe cover.
Yes.
And that's a great way to do it. And
Yeah.
it's actually quite stylish in my opinion.
Yes, and under this jumper too, this jumper is a little bit shorter in length. It's our fluffy crew neck jumper, something like that. It comes in a range of colours. We've got millions of shirts, but this shirt also comes in a range of colours, so you pick the colour combo that works for you. I am wearing a 12 in this jumper. I don't need to be. They're all kind of like, it's so sloppy and like whatever goes, it doesn't really even matter what size you get. But I do really like to wear my clothes really big, especially if I'm wearing a tight pant on the bottom. So what I've done is I'm going to the neck. One thing I don't like, and look, no judgment if you like it, I'm not saying it to be just annoying. I really don't like that.
No, well, to me that's a little bit been and gone.
Do you know what I mean?
Tucked into your shirt.
Yeah,
into your jumper.
Even like that. Oh, look, I wouldn't do it. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not like, not passing any judgment if you don't want to have your top button done up. But I think if it's going to be like this, I just think that it sits a little bit better and nicer and flatter. Now, the other thing I like to do is I never do my cuffs up if I'm wearing a jumper on top because I kind of like how they push out. I just think it looks cool and it looks a bit masculine and it just looks like...
I think it's got the cool factor.
It's got the cool factor. It's a bit Chanel.
Yeah. Some of these little tips that we give you, they really are about adding that tiny bit of extra style. It doesn't make that much difference. And mind you, if you're an OCD person, you probably hate that. But that's just you. Others would absolutely love it.
It's just you.
Yeah,
and then if it's cold, of course, you can add a coat. And add any coat, but this one in particular kind of highlights, makes the neon even more neon, which I love. I love the high contrast as well, being with the black and the neon, because they're so opposite. I think that's cool. But hey, if this isn't your vibe, just go for a white shirt and you're going to get a really classic look.
Totally, a very classic look. And even adding the jacket that I'm adding to that outfit with the white shirt would really
nice.
so
yeah,
well.
gorgeous.
So I've gone for a little bit of a more casual look with the jumper. In fact, I wanted to show you before I popped my coat on. That's why I didn't add it on. Even though you can see hoo-ha here, I think it's a really nice look and very long at the back. And also, you can do one of these off-the-shoulder type looks with this top. It's gorgeous. Great outfit. I love grey, black, and this whole metallic theme, which is in the jacket, plus the top. So they have that sort of, I don't know, it is a bit of a matchy-matchy, which I don't particularly like, but it works in this case because it's kind of all black and grey and a very moody look, which is a look in itself. So now I would probably... See, adding the grandpa jacket like this is giving you a vibe, and I'd probably do it with these sleeves hanging down.
Okay.
I'm not going to zhuzh them up. I'm going to leave it like that. It kind of says something about the outfit. It's kind of cool. Look, I know you're going to say, yeah, but you're going to get the sleeves in your suit. Well, in that case, just roll them up and pull them up.
Yeah, exactly.
You've still got armbands. Although there is a trick. I don't know if I've shown you this. What I also like to do, which I wasn't going to do with this outfit, but I'll do it, wear your armbands down here if the sleeves are a wee bit long. And sometimes they are, it depends on your size. Then just turn them back and leave them like that, because what happens when you're, doing your whatever during the day, then you can just pull them up, and guess what? They've got the armbands in them so they stay up. Is that a cool idea?
Let me see.
Cool, yeah? You see what I did?
Yeah, you puffed it up.
Yeah, but when you want to have them like that, it still brings the sleeve in a little bit. So it's not so sloppy, you know what I mean? I mean, it is a bit sloppy because that's what it's meant to be, because you've just turned the cuffs back. But it's quite a good look. Oh, I'm liking this outfit. Oh, yeah, that's cool. But I haven't added a necklace. You think I should?
Yeah, I think you need one.
Yeah. I think I need one. Shall I wear one of mine, or have you got a chunky one over there?
What, this one?
Yeah.
Or the zip? Oh, you can. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
I thought we dropped it.
Yeah.
Oh, we dropped it. We haven't done that for a while.
I haven't done that for a while. I haven't broken anything at all for ages. Now, I like to have mine quite tight, so I'm going to do it way over there. And because this is a chain, this is like asymmetrical. So it goes, I've something gone really bright there. Maybe I shouldn't get so close to the light there. So the coins are on one side, and I'm just bringing the chain over on one side too. That has suddenly lifted the whole outfit. Can you tell, ladies?
And if you
see what happens when I go really close? Oh no, it didn't change colour then. Oh yes, I did. Okay, so there you go.
And I think
nice look.
If anyone's not so sure about showing off, this area with an outfit like Faye's, that's when you might want to consider either going for like, you know, other black pants, some of them, you know, they're all different, but also the Miracle skirt would be a really great option because you can do a front tuck as well. So if you do want to not be so defined with the shape of your legs and you want to do a lot of shorter tops, maybe we'll do even a day on Miracle skirts. A lot of them have sold out. They're very, very low in stock, but if you want to jump on it, then that's a really good option if you do like to wear some shorter length tops. All right, so now what I've done, I thought I'd do a bit of a combo with navy and black with a bit of colour. So, because I know so many people think you can't wear black and navy, and that is absolutely not true. So I've got on the black pants. By the way, Motto's answered. Someone had just asked what sizes we're wearing. 8, 10. But Lauren had answered for you guys. So I have on our Siska blazer, one of our all-time best jackets. The reason is that it's really good for layering. See from the side, you can see all the different layers and proportions that I've got on, because what you want to do, if I had a shirt, like if my blazer was the length of my shirt, that's when sometimes it doesn't look right. You've got to add in all those different layers and proportions, and it just kind of gives your outfit a whole new vibe.
So I've got navy with it, Lauren.
It's nice, yeah?
Looks sensational.
And then I've got on our boyfriend shirt. Now this shirt is designed to be a little bit oversized. Again, I've done all the way up to the neck because I do like doing that in winter. I just think it's easy. It's a great way to layer things over because it really stays put, and it's a good way to wear it. I've got my armbands with my cuffs hanging out. Again, no buttons done up. And that's me. I mean, if I wanted to, I could do another necklace, which you can imagine it. It would look quite nice with a necklace as well.
It would, especially one like, what about this one? This looks fabulous one. Try it on.
Oh,
This
okay,
one,
yeah.
Yeah, the little cross, because it kind of goes, but not quite go with the outfit, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
It's an aqua blue, which is rather nice.
Yeah. And I'll come up close and show you guys. And again, when you've got your collar done up, would you do it underneath?
I would do it. I was thinking of just having a little cross under there, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That would look great. Yeah, very pretty. Just makes it a little bit more feminine.
I'm going to have got this right. Yeah, so you can just see you've got that little, and yeah, just something little just to add a bit of sparkle up here. It kind of just draws the eye up. So you can do your chunky jewellery if you're that girl, do fine jewellery, you can stack your fine jewellery, but it's always nice to wear it over the top, especially when you've got something up here. Even a brooch, brooches are very in. If you do a bit of a blingy, cool brooch, a brooch up there would look very nice.
Gorgeous, great outfit. Okay, I did try a belt with this. I thought it was a bit hoochie mama, so I'm not going there. I rather like it just worn out like this because it is, again, a tight pant and you want to cover your hoo-ha paps. So this is a great way to do it. You just need to wear something perhaps under that and you can pull it right forward and you get that extra cover there. But for me, I don't mind showing hoo-ha anyway.
No, because you're still a little bit covered.
Yeah, and it is a little bit of cover. I just put my cami down there and this is something. But what I do like to wear with something like this is a nice big long coat. Because you know how much I like to make an entrance? This is the one to do it in.
Yeah, nice. Actually, after that, you could even, because this coat would also be amazing with it, so you could even try that, because I love this with pink.
Yes, of course. I could try both.
Yeah, nice. Really nice.
And in that case, I would probably cover that up just a little bit, just to get comfortable. And this is gorgeous.
Yeah, I love that.
Just a bit of the pant.
It's very cool.
That's very cool. Okay, I'll try the other coat.
And ladies, if you're taller than us, which most of you are, it's not very hard. I'm 5'2", Faye's 5 foot. That's why we're wearing heels with this style. But if you love the split style and you're 5'4" or above, you're very likely to be able to wear sneakers. But you know what would look really cool? Chelsea boots, combat boots,
all
that sort of vibe. And if you want a pant that's a little bit easier and you don't need to have the, you know, the length perfect, then just get our Miracle Pant 2.0. That's the basic, it's the OG, it's the most popular one, it's the one that just keeps flying off the shelves. It's exactly like this without the split, so you can cuff it up. It's a really, really good first purchase into Miracle Pant if you haven't bought a pair yet. Said no one ever. Like,
no, said no one ever.
You need a pair. You need a few pairs.
Just go for it.
Yeah, I love that.
You will love it. And I'm
That's
even
cool.
going to maybe do a bit of a hitch on the side. I'll just check it out if I like it. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't.
Me too.
It kind of depends on my mood.
And because I think you're wearing a long coat with a longer line shirt, you want to crop something. It's about getting those different dimensions.
I'm going to crop something.
Whereas when you've got a short jacket, that's when you want the longer line shirt. So you need a lot of both.
I'm going to flick my my shirt back, and we'll see if I can do this. Yes, and it holds it up. That's better.
Yeah.
Now I feel more like it. So I've just shortened it by purely taking off my shoulders towards the back, which looks fine. Look.
Yeah, no, it looks good. And realistically, that's probably more where it's going to be on maybe someone
else.
You know who's a little bit taller than average anyway.
And it looks pretty good. I like it.
Yeah, I like it too.
Would love it with sneakers, but I'm going to be too short.
Yes.
Yep. Well, that's my look, and I think we're done now.
We're done.
Hope you enjoyed that, ladies. So we'll see you tomorrow at 4.
See ya. Bye.